Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of EveryAI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Imagine creating website with Claude AI, write its content with ChatGPT/DeepSeek, create its logo and 3D box shot with Leonardo AI, create its landing page with Canva AI and promote it with Copilot. Search for any AI model that you like: ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Claude, Runway ML, Hugging Face, Canva, Palm 2.0, Llama, or anything else. With a click you will be able to access it with zero cost, and zero API needed. Now let it work for you, and execute anything you want. Website, funnels, e-com store, products, logos, talking avatar, 3D box shot, screen recording, 8K videos, 4K images, branding, AI influencer, articles, ads, sales pages, flip books, software, coding, chatbots. Or simply anything you can imagine. That is probably why you haven't made any money with AI yet. It gets complicated, overwhelming, and very expensive. Luckily, we put an end to this. Imagine eliminating all the hard work, expensive fees, and overwhelming work, and allow you to reap the benefits of AI. From one powerful dashboard, without paying any fees. From one single dashboard, you can unlock AI models to generate 8K motion videos, create websites, create funnels, create 3D box shot, create talking avatar, create AI influencer, record screen, create branding, generate logos, create business cards, generate 4K images, create e-com store, generate voiceovers, clone voices, generate articles, write ads, remove image background, turn speech to text, create AI assistant chatbots, edit photos, create flipbook, and much more. All by simply typing a keyword or use voice prompt, and EveryAI will search and activate the world's best AI models to get the task done right inside EveryAI with zero API cost. It's like having the entire AI industry working for you, without the hassle of juggling subscriptions or switching apps. Whatever you want to create or automate, you can do it from EveryAI's powerful dashboard. Design 3D box shot, logos, create image to motion videos, talking avatar, and build website/e-com store effortlessly. Write content, generate ads, and brainstorm ideas with ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and Jasper. Leverage the latest innovations from Google Gemini for cutting-edge solutions. Imagine this for a second. You wake up and open your laptop or even mobile phone, doesn't matter, and you decide you want to create a new stunning website or e-com store for your business or a client. Or write sales pages that will turn any viewer into a raving customer. Or create viral image to motion videos or talking avatar guaranteed to get you thousands of free clicks daily. Or craft a new breathtaking 3D box shot or logo for you, your client, or just for fun. Or maybe create a new AI assistant chatbot that will automate your entire business for you. Really, anything. And instead of buying tons of different AI models, learning each one, and juggling between each one, instead, you use EveryAI to access all of them, and let them work together in harmony you have never seen before. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, designer, or student, EveryAI gives you the tools to dream big and deliver even bigger.